thought I'd explain how I did the lighting for the buildings on the back side of the city here. So the Coca-Cola plant has a single bulb cord, and then I used a 5 bulb cord. So building 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I did a 3 bulb cord for building 1, 2, and then 3. And then the ones on the hill, I did a single bulb cord. I poked a hole in the plastic tablecloth so I get the cord underneath the table and get that plugged in. As far as the 3 bulb cord, all I have to do is come in with my floral pins and pin that wire down onto the styrofoam base. Use some polyfill and trees to cover up those wires. The 5 bulb cord is a little bit trickier because that cord is a little bit longer. So as the cords go in between each of the buildings, there's extra. So what I did is I just took that and tucked it up underneath the styrofoam base. As you can see, that's pretty long. So when I'm done with building the village, what I'll do is I'll take a snow blanket and put that over top of the plastic tablecloth. I'll just tuck it up underneath the styrofoam base. So like those wires will be covered up. But as far as these, I'll have to do a little bit more securing them with some of my floral pins and then some polyfill on that. Those ones are going to be probably my trickiest ones.